My knees hurt for a really long time. I've been to the doctors, they're like, oh, it's arthritis, so try ibuprofen, maybe heat or cooling.
It would take me 4 minutes to get out of a chair with agonizing pain, like I had a knife in my hip.
I'm 80 years old, and I went and had my second knee replacement.
We tried the cortisone shot, it helped for a little while. I went through the 3 gel shots, it helped for a little while.
I went to course like everybody does, the injections and procrastinations, but meanwhile I was getting worse.
Because of the pain, I could hardly stand.
That pain was something I'll never forget for my life.
I just feel that everybody knows a point in their life when how much they're going to take.
I was scared, very scared.
When I got to Ocean Medical Center, you have to go and check in, and everybody was awesome explaining things, which is really good because I kind of like to know what's coming and going on. I had the surgery in the morning, and by in the afternoon, I up and walked across the room and couldn't quite believe it with everything I'd just gone through.
The experience was tremendous.
Everything was done so quickly.
When they got me out of bed, I had a death grip on the walker. I had tears coming down my eyes. The nurse asked me, "You want to get back in bed? Are you in pain?" I said, "There's no more pain." First time in 6 months, I didn't have that pain.
I went through therapy at the hospital. They were worried about me having pain and this and that. I said, I'm fine, I could do this. And I got up and walked.
It was a challenge getting into the car, but getting home felt great. Sitting in my own chair felt great.
They said, you can go home. So I was only there 2 days.
As far as anybody going to go through joint replacement, my advice would be prepping your house ahead of time. Also, do your physical therapy. That is like beyond the most important thing. And walk and bend your knee all the time. Just keep moving.
I just want people to know if you're older, you think something's going to happen. But you know what? If you want to really live a good life, you can't fear. I feel so much better just already. I mean, I'm not dancing yet, but I plan to. It takes time. Younger people seem to get through it much easier, but that doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean you can't do it or I can't do it. I'm gonna do it, so it all depends on willpower.
It's not pain anymore, it's healing pain. People gotta look at it that way, because it's gonna go away, and it does. It really does.
Just remember all the pain of the years that you're suffering. That can be over in just a few months. To me, that's living life all over again. It gives me more life to live, and you can do that too. Anybody can do that if they just get rid of that fear and just take that step.
Now that I have 2 new knees, I am ready to be able to walk pain-free.
Quality of life, you don't want to lose out on. You want to be able to do things for yourself. You don't want to be in agony. Don't put it off.
I suggest anybody who's ready to do it, just go for it. That's the way I am.